Okay, so what's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. Finally, OnePlus have started rolling out Android 12 for OnePlus 9 series, though it's still Android 12 Developer Preview 2, and if you guys want to try it out, links can be found in the description below. Before moving ahead, as I always say, we have 80% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel. It's a humble request guys, do subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. And huge thanks for 200 likes on our previous video. And let's keep the same like target of 200 on this video too. So here I have my OnePlus 9 on which I have already installed Android 12 Developer Preview 2 and I've been using it since yesterday. Let me talk about the software information first. Here you can see Android version is Android 12. We get the 5th September 2021 security patch with this particular build. If you press multiple times on Android 12, you'll have the Easter egg logo of Android 11. Now let me tell you how to install Android 12 Developer Preview on your OnePlus 9 or 9 Pro. Download the file given in the description below. It's a full zip file. Place it inside the internal storage of your device. Make sure you place it in the root directory of your internal storage. Avoid placing it inside any of the folders. Once done, you just need to go to settings and perform a local upgrade by going to system update section. Also, make sure to perform factory reset of your device from recovery after updating to Android 12. Using that way, you'll get rid of most of the major bugs you might encounter after installing Android 12. Though I won't tell you guys to use it as a daily driver, or if you guys want to use it, wait for a day or two. I'll do a complete review on the same. Also guys, don't expect anything similar to Google's Android 12 or don't even expect you'll get to see Material UI on Android 12 for OnePlus phones. We might get to see Material UI with Android 12.1, which Google says it'll be a open source. And now talking about Android 12 on OnePlus phones. So guys, here it's a mixture of Color OS and Oxygen OS. And these builds are from early stages. We'll also see lots of changes in the upcoming updates. So here you can see our quick setting panel, which kind of similar to Oxygen OS 11. I'll do a dedicated video on the features and the changes between Android 11 versus Android 12. In this video, let's only cover the changelogs what OnePlus have mentioned with Android 12 Developer Preview 2. If you take a look at the changelogs of Android 12 Developer Preview 2, we have changelogs related to system, new design, convenience and efficiency, game, camera, and performance. OnePlus have also mentioned few known bugs which can be seen on this latest build of Android 12, and those things you guys can check it out in the description below. When it comes to the UI changes, I personally did not like the changes done with Android 12 on DP2. Let's wait for a few more updates and see how many more changes OnePlus gonna do it. With the first changelog, OnePlus have optimized the auto brightness algorithm for comfortable screen reading experience. Along with the auto brightness algorithm, OnePlus have also optimized the mistouch prevention algorithm, and that's mainly for the curved display. OnePlus also added this new shelf with the updated widgets that shows the key information of apps and instant access to applications. This can be triggered by swiping down from the right top corner. Here they have also optimized the page layout and the presentation of text color to make key information stand out. Later we also get to see this new floating windows option on Android 12 DP2. This feature works for most of the messaging applications, and in future we might also get to see support of more apps. For games, OnePlus says they have also optimized the frame rate performance under heavy use scenes. So I have been playing Battlegrounds Mobile India on my OnePlus 9 with this Android 12 DP2. Basically I haven't noticed any kind of major frame drops. Performance seems to be really good. I'll be doing a dedicated gaming test video on this particular build, so stay tuned for that. So now let's talk about camera. And here guys, don't expect Hasselblad features on Android 12 DP2. So in future, those things will be added with the future updates. On Android 12 DP2, the zooming experience seems to be optimized and now much smoother. And at last, under performance, we have the chart to display battery usage. And guys, this chart doesn't get reset whenever you charge your device to 100%. Bottom, you'll also get to see some color codings like green for normal usage and orange for high usage. And that you can check by swiping on this graph. And last but not the least, now they have also improved the response speed of turning on or off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode and NFC. So guys, these are the changelogs what OnePlus have mentioned on the forum. And talking about basic stuff, calling works fine, no issues with the Bluetooth services too. Fingerprint unlock seems to be pretty fast. Always on display works great as usual. And as said guys, if you're using a OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro as a primary device, I won't recommend you guys to flash this same, because there are few bugs here and there, and that might lead to unstable behavior of Android 12. And then if you decide to downgrade your device to Android 11, then you have to wipe your entire data. So guys, this was a quick look on Android 12 Developer Preview 2 for OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro. If you have any kind of questions, make sure to drop them in the comment section below. I'll cover everything in a review video. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.